Pleasant Valley Junction. Oh, hi there. Yes, yes. How go things in the engine house, huh? Hey, wait, what do you mean? No, wait, slow down. You say you're missing what? You're missing locomotive horns. How many are you missing? No, I have not a clue. I mean, don't look at me. We're just a little junction depot here. I mean, we're just a gathering point. You see, there was a wad of cash there. Uh-huh. Okay, well, I haven't got a clue. No, I haven't got a clue at all. So, okay, we'll talk to you later. Bye. Earl, what did you do with the